This is some footage from in front of my house from the blizzard of 2013. I'm standing right in front of my house in the middle of the street. That's an abandoned Jeep in the middle. You can kind of see some cars. These mounds are all cars. There's a car right there. That's my tenant's car. This now facing the other direction is an abandoned car in the middle of the street. Snowplow kind of tried to come by, but it's really pretty useless. There's my house. That's a small path shoveled last night. That is my front window. I can't even see out the front window. That's my driveway. You can see the truck way back there. That snow's about 3 feet deep, so I came out the front door to try and shovel off the steps. I tried to go out the back door, and I can't open it because the snow is too heavy against the door. So I'm just trying to make an exit in case we have a fire. Blizzard of 2013.